Last time we did an updates video on Africa farming. We showed you this particular project and it was still progressing. Today it's done. This is where we're going to keep our Kenyan chicken. We've actually subdivided it into different categories. Different sections, which we're going to show you. Now, this is Africa farming. My name is Samuel, and of course, we're glad that you joined us. For those who are new here, take a second or two to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Africa farming is a channel focused on new generation farmers and new entrants in farming who are willing to learn new farming practices. And as always, we invite everybody to join the African farming family, and you are not excluded. So today I'll take you through this particular house. It's a small house, not big. I think it will house around maybe 300, 400 chicken at most. So today we're going to spread the wood shavings before we bring the chicken. So of course there are people who might ask, why did we choose wood shavings and not, for example, hay straws and all that, because those will be cheaper. There are people who prefer just spreading grass on the bed as the bedding for the chicken. Now, if you actually got time to go through our wood shavings video, I think we explained. But in a nutshell, wood shavings have the capability to absorb fecal matter from chicken. Whenever they do whatever waste that comes from the chicken, the wood shaving is actually able to absorb it very well as compared to grass. Yes, grass might be cheaper, but wood shavings would actually be the best. Also, when it comes to warmth, remember chicken need warmth. They don't do so well in cold areas. So in terms of the warmth, the wood shaving is able to keep the warmth so that the chicken can actually have, the house itself can actually have the best temperature, room temperature for those particular chicken. Normally, it's always recommended at least around how many inches? Around 6 inches of the wood shavings. Basically, the floor should be around 6 inches. That is basically what I follow. So I don't know about other people. For me, it's 6 inches thick. Yeah. So that's what we're doing, and you can just estimate the thickness of the bedding, because when you're doing that, the way you can see Jackson doing, and you can feel that this is too thin or this is too thick. Then you can always balance it out. Where it's too thick and where it's too thin, you can always balance it out. So in the process of spreading, you'll find out that some of those chippings or shavings are too thick and can actually harm your chicken. So you have to make sure that you pick them out and throw them out. Yeah. Like these ones. Yeah, you can see these ones. These ones are too thick. They can actually harm your chicken. So make sure as you're doing the spreading, you pick them up and throw them out. Now, if you're in the farm like me, I can use it to, light my traditional stove. The three stone meko. Yeah, you can use that as your firewood. So now we are done spreading the wood shavings. The next thing is to spray this disinfectant on the wood shavings. It's always advisable to spray this disinfectant because you don't know where the wood shaving has been. So just to eliminate, cases of, those diseases that might be, in the wood shavings, because they always come when they are still wet kidogo. And that is a very good environment for, bacteria and all that to, multiply. So we always prefer, spraying this disinfectant. It's called TH4+. It's
a disinfectant for bacterial, fungicidal, and virucidal. I'm going to mix, because we are using 20 liters of water, and the instructions here say 25 ml for 10 liters. So we're going to apply 50 ml for the 20 liters that we're going to use. But don't worry if you don't use all of it, because we are still going to apply K-Roll on it. We can always mix. It will not have any bad effect. So let's proceed. Tumwage 50 ml. So zijae mara mbili. Inakaa soda bwana. We have this K-Roll, is also a disinfectant, but the main reason why we are applying this, it's a very strong one, but the main reason why we are applying it is because of snakes. We will be applying this K-Roll and ensure that you keep it away from children. This thing is very, very poisonous. So guys, our knapsack sprayer kind of got broken. I think I bought some low quality ones, or these guys sold me a low quality one at the price of a high quality knapsack sprayer. So we had to improvise. We've been pumping manually with our hands. I think you've been seeing, you've seen the first part of the video. We were just doing it the normal way. Then after it broke, we had now to pump manually as one sprays. So I hope we will be able to find a solution to this locally, that is within the farm, so that we can make it so that when we're doing planting of, when we're spraying our sukuma wikis and vegetables, we'll have actually repaired it. Yeah, so guys, I hope you've also seen the osilale that we came to plant. Remember our last episode when we talked about the African ma? You've seen how it's actually doing right now. So we are waiting for at least a few weeks, a few months, and then I'll also come back and also show you the progress with regards to osilale. It is my hope that you've learned one or two things in this particular episode. One thing that I forgot to tell you that you need to take care of is you need a mask. Right now I'm feeling affected by the smell from the K-Roll because it has this strong smell. So make sure when you're doing this, you have at least some masks and also gloves, yeah, when you're doing that. For us, we've not really taken those precautionary measures, which is very bad of us. When you're doing it, make sure you do that. And kuna kitu utaambia Jackton? Utaambia Saleh zishamea. Sawa. Anyway, so I hope you guys will take your time to subscribe if you're watching this for the first time. And for our subscribers, Maze, thanks a lot for always turning in to watch our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this particular video. Give us your feedback on what you think about whatever it is that we shoot. If you have any new ideas that you think we should also showcase, kindly let us know through our comment section, or you can connect with us on our social media handles: Instagram, Africa Farming KE, Facebook, Africa Farming, Twitter, Africa Farming KE, and we'll be able to respond to you and also create content that is aligned to what you want us to do. And until next time, changamka na ukulima. Tuambie bye bye, sindio? Poa.